Hi viewers, welcome to AccountTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to improve your typing skills. In order to do that, I would like to recommend one of the best free online typing tutors available. The name of it is KeyHero. So here you can either log in or sign up. Let's say if you have an account, you can just go and log in. But if you don't have any account, you will have to sign up by giving your username and password. Now I am going to log in since I have my own account. So this is my username and the password will be given over here. Now you can see this is my profile. So when you have your own account, it will be helpful because the system will keep track of your performance in terms of your typing speed as well as your accuracy. So I will begin with typing practice. Under typing practice, let's look at one by one. Here you have typing test, for which I will come later. Before that, I will have to go for typing lessons. So when you scroll down, you can also see custom test and also classic typing test, and the right below you can see instant death typing test. These two are least important as far as I am concerned, so I will not discuss these two. However, I will have to look at typing lessons and custom test in detail. What is custom test? Custom test means you will start typing based on your paragraph that you would really prefer to. So any paragraph you can bring in and you can start typing. So that is what we call it custom test. Under typing lesson, we'll look at one by one. When you select typing practice, there are two types of typing lessons available. One is for letters, the other one is for numbers. So under typing lesson for letters, you have 7 different categories. In each category, different letters and punctuation marks will be taken into consideration. So here when you choose the first option, you can just start typing and get practice. When you are confident on that first category, you can move on to the rest. Similarly, under typing lesson for numbers, you can select one by one. After selecting each category, you can start typing. When you get a good confidence on that, you can move on to the next available categories. Now I am going to start typing by selecting the first category. So I can click on here. I will demonstrate how to do this. So this is how the screen will look like. You have a start button. You have a speaker icon here. Here you have a speed in terms of word per minute. In terms of accuracy, it will be shown in percentage. So WPM stands for word per minute, as I mentioned earlier. And here you can see a speaker icon which you can mute or unmute. When you unmute, you can clearly hear a warning sound each time when you make a mistake. So if you mute it, still you can see when you make a mistake because it will be highlighted red in color. Here I am going to demonstrate how this works. When I start typing, you can clearly see what are the changes happening on the screen. So just pay your attention. So I am going to click on within this cell before I start typing. So here I go. Okay, now you can see the result. Here the speed is 23.85 word per minute, the accuracy about 98%. So here in this graph you can see how the word per minute changes. And my suggestion to you is you should focus on your accuracy rather than on speed, because when you try to improve your accuracy, your speed of typing will also be improved. And you know, when you make a mistake, your accuracy will come down. Again, you will have to correct your mistake. It will take time and your speed of typing will come down. So that is the point I want to stress on, so that you can improve both your typing speed as well as accuracy. Here I will show you what custom test is all about. I will select this. After that, you can give any title you want. I am giving typing as the title. Here within this text box you can select whichever paragraph you want and you can paste it over here. So here, for my convenience, I will select from here to here. I will copy this to paste over here, and I will take this to save the test, and I'm going to create typing test of my, and then here I can start. Here I go. Now you can see the result. The speed is 60.26, which is very promising one. The accuracy is 100%. It's perfect, and you can see how the word per minute changes. So this is the result of my last typing test. Now I think you have understood what custom test is all about. After finishing all those typing lessons, only you can go for a typing test by clicking on this, and now you can here start your typing test. All what you have seen in this text box will be typed within this cell, and you can see your speed and accuracy. So you will have to be very thorough with your basics, like you should know how to place your fingers properly on the keyboard. So I hope you have found this video tutorial useful, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please like, share, comment on my videos. So for your convenience, I will copy the link for this particular website in the description. Thank you for watching.